Oh yeah, so you have already seen me in this t-shirt and this messy hair on this day, January 11th, but I lied to you, and I lied to a handful of people. I was telling everybody back home, except for my two best friends that are helping me kind of make this work, that I was going to be in Korea for a handful of weeks over winter break, which was true. And I will be in Korea for 2 weeks, and you will have already seen those vlogs at this point. What I didn't tell you is that I got a flight ticket back to Minnesota, and I'm surprising my family, and I'm spending roughly 2 weeks in Minnesota as well. Very few people know I have only told my two best friends from college that are helping pick me up from the airport and getting me home. And then I have also told a couple of my old high school friends that I really want to see, and so I let them know that I would be in town. Yeah, this is gonna be a handful of days. I think I'm gonna pop in and say a couple things for this vlog when I'm in Korea as well. But just so you know, that is what we're up to. We will be getting on a plane from Incheon to Minneapolis, and we're gonna be surprising my family, and it's probably gonna be really crazy if I can pull this off, and it's gonna be really fun. And then getting on a flight and coming right back to Taipei. And so yes, with that, I will check in with you later. Okay, hi you guys. I'm checking in. It is Thursday, January 12th today. I'm packing, getting ready, and obviously I'm going home for 2 weeks. And so I don't want to travel super heavy, even though I'll be gone for a month and I will be in both Minnesota and Korea. This is definitely interesting. I just was not like in a headspace to be ready to pack to go home until like yesterday or today, and now I'm seeing everything and I'm like, I need more space. I'll check in with you probably when we are in Korea. Hello, you guys. Checking in. It is currently January 20th. I land back home in 10 days, which is crazy to think about. Yes, we successfully made it to Korea. I am currently in my Airbnb. The only big check-in I have is that we're here and the surprise is still on. You've hopefully seen a lot of my Seoul and Daegu and everywhere else vlogs by now, but everything is still going according to plan. So I will check in with you later. Good morning. Today is D-Day, and only so many people know that. It is currently like 7:40 in the morning on January 30th. I still am surprising my family. They still don't know, which is kind of shocking, that I've been able to keep a secret because I'm a horrible liar. Like I'm a really, really bad liar, and I'm really bad at keeping surprises. So the fact that I've kept this surprise this long is truly astonishing. I know what I need to do in order to get ready to leave today, but it still doesn't feel like I'm leaving today. With that being said, let's finish packing, let's get ready to go, and then head off to a cafe, shall we?
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
Okay, hi you guys. It is currently 2:17. My suitcase is all packed. I think it might be over 23 kilograms. To be honest, I don't know. I don't really have a way of checking. So we're gonna cross our fingers. If we get to the airport and I need to shove stuff into my backpack, we're gonna do that. How do I feel about leaving Seoul? I am bummed. There's no question about it. I'm a little bit sad to leave. It's always right when you start to feel comfortable, right, is when you have to leave a place or when you get like uprooted or whatever. That always happens. And this is no exception. I do not have words for how excited I am to see my best friends and to see my family. And oh my god, look, I'm getting emotional. Ha! My family has no idea still. I am so excited to see them. Like, this is so crazy. This is one of the coolest things I've had the opportunity to do, to surprise them, and I'm bringing them all lots of gifts, hence the very full luggage. And Seoul is wonderful and super cool and so different than I expected it to be, but not in a bad way. It was different, filled with real people living real lives. I think when you prop up anything, like, this is why having expectations for things can really let you down. And as much as Seoul is this huge metropolis, crazy fun place, there are nooks and crannies that I found that are neat, really make me want to come back and like see the rest of it. So I will absolutely be back to Seoul at some point, but I am also very excited to get back to Taipei and to fall back into a routine, get situated, because obviously it's very hard to have a routine when you are bouncing across the planet for over a month. That's our check-in. I will probably catch you when we leave and when we get to the airport, so we can go home, back to Minnesota. All right, I'll see you guys there.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Hi you guys. I have not formally checked in since being home. I'm back in Minnesota. So I've been just spending time with family and my friends for the last week-ish. I've been here for 2 weeks. This last week I'm seeing a couple more family members, but I'm really just laying low, resting, taking the time I need to just kind of recalibrate. The minute I land back in Taipei, the semester basically starts. I have so many things I have to do the minute I land back on the island. But for now, besides the fact that it sounds like I'm hoarse because obviously in Korea I was by myself, so I didn't get to talk or interact with that many people. Since being home, I have just been talking to everybody, and I haven't had tea or anything to heal my throat, and so my throat is just tired. I'm not sick, don't worry. The weather has been very clear and very nice for the last week that I've been here, and today it's snowing. And the last time it snowed, I was in Korea. It's making me feel very nostalgic, and I'm very content. I have a candle going, I'm just working, chilling. We're gonna make soup soon. A very relaxing, nice, good, recharging day. Welcome to the kitchen. Something I don't have back in Taiwan. Something I wish I had desperately. Fun fact, I absolutely love cooking. I wish I could cook myself meals every single day because I would. But I don't have that luxury, and so we are making a creamy vegetable chicken soup. I have a recipe. I don't really know what it's called. It is snowing, so it's a perfect day for some soup. Let's see what goes on. Welcome to my cooking adventures on this traveling channel. Everyone here is not here for cooking content, and I don't care. Let's get started. Also, don't mind my bruise. When I was walking up a super steep sidewalk in Korea in Olympic Park, and I slipped and I fell on a sign, and I'm low-key a little anemic, so don't mind that. So now it's all set, ready to rock and roll. I buttered some sourdough bread, another delicacy that we cannot get over in Taiwan very easily. I will try to link the recipe that I used down below if you want to reference it. And like I said, I made some changes. There's no cauliflower because we don't really love cauliflower in this house, so. Hi you guys, I look like a Minnesotan today with my Carhartt beanie. Anyways, I'm at the clinic because I'm getting my booster. Love that for me. Just never went through the process of registering all of my US vaccines COVID-wise with Taiwan in order to get my booster there, so I'm now here. Easy peasy, got in and out, and I know that I'm going to have some side effects from this shot. Hopefully they won't be as bad as my last one. My last one was rough. This has been like the most chill, boring week. Cause like I've said, once I get back to the island, it's going to be chaos. So I am going to not get boba. I changed my mind. But yeah, nothing else is going on except for tonight I'm seeing my aunt and my grandma for dinner. So seriously, it's gonna just be like the chillest, another chill day. So, but get vaccinated, folks, and that's all I have to say on the matter.
Trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Hi friends, I'm back in Taipei, and I'm realizing that I never gave you an outro for this video. So here I am, giving you your outro. I've been in Taipei now for roughly a week and a half, and I think like I specified, the minute I landed I had a bunch of work to do, so I was basically just working, getting caught up, organizing, doing everything. It's also going to be a very busy semester for me, but don't worry, I will still keep making videos because it's something I absolutely love doing, and we will get back to our regular scheduled Taiwan content very soon. So thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!